Hi all, welcome back to your channel once again. Competitive examinations part 2. So now, if the perimeter of an equivalent triangle is 45 centimeters, then find its area. Four options are given. Next, a triangle with three equal sides has its area equal to this one, then find its perimeter. So now second part, those who did not watch the first part, go through it. So totally it is a stream of competitive examination problems. I hope so you will follow all these for super tricks and in the fast way. Okay. So now let us go through our solution. The first solution. If the perimeter of an equilateral triangle is given 45 centimeters, then find its area. Equilateral triangle, nothing but a triangle in which all the three sides are equal and each angle is 60 degrees. So its perimeter is given, you have to find out its area. So given perimeter of an equilateral triangle is given 45 centimeters. So here perimeter equilateral triangle, so that's why I am writing directly. Okay. So still if you want you can write this PEQ stands for perimeter of equilateral triangle. So this implies we know that 3 into side is equal to 45 centimeters. So this implies A is nothing but our 45 by 3 gives you A is equal to 15 centimeters. But our intention is to find out the area here. So nothing but area of an equilateral triangle, delta EQ stands for area of equilateral triangle, which is given by root 3 by 4 into side square. So root 3 by 4 into our side is 15, so 15 square. So this implies I can write now here delta EQ is equal to 225 root 3 by 4. So this is the answer. If you observe carefully, the options which we are going to fit is nothing but B option. So it takes only 1 minute if you are fast, if you are good at calculations. Okay, next coming to our second problem. Okay. So this is our first problem completed. Now second problem, a triangle with three equal sides. Instead of saying equilateral triangle, three equal sides has its area equal to 4 root 3 square centimeters. Then we have to find out its perimeter. So if you observe carefully, in the previous case a perimeter is given, then we have to find out its area. Now here area is given, then you have to find out its perimeter. So this is the problem which these two problems are connected to area and perimeter of equilateral triangle. So let us follow now. So a triangle with three equal sides, its area is equal to this one. So given, so second solution now, given delta EQ is nothing but 4 root 3 centimeter square or square centimeters. So place viewers, I am going to do in a better way, best calculations. So please follow it. So root 3 by 4 into A square is equal to 4 root 3. So since the operation is multiplication transfers into this side, it becomes reciprocal. So that is the longest way in the competitive examinations. You can cancel here itself. So that the leftover part is A square by 4 is equal to 4. Implies A square is nothing but 4 into 4 is 16 if you cross multiply. So this implies A is equal to plus or minus root 16, but side cannot be negative, implies A is nothing but our 4 centimeters. But given they ask you to find out its perimeter. So just now we have gone through the nothing but perimeter of equilateral triangle is 3 into side. So therefore perimeter of an equilateral triangle, so 3 into side, so 3 into 4, nothing but 12 centimeters. So our option fits here is nothing but A option. In this way we can overcome the anxiety of the competitive examinations problems. So once I am going to mark the important points here. So this is nothing but perimeter of an equilateral triangle, and here this is a formula stands for area of an equilateral triangle. So finally I got here area of an equilateral triangle is nothing but this one, which is suited our B option. Next here nothing but A is equal to 4 centimeters. So perimeter is nothing but 12. So given area of an equilateral triangle, now perimeter. So finally our perimeter of an equilateral triangle is 12 centimeters, which is fitted for A option. Competitive examination special, area and perimeter. Strictly these two videos are meant for equilateral triangle. Area is given perimeter, perimeter is given area. So this is nothing but second part. Okay, once you have the total look of this problem,